So when the drives were changed, there was a physical access done. There was a physical access done. So when the drives were changed, and when my system was taken in control of these camels, huh? So both the devices, Dell bought in 2014, drive is changed 2015. Huh? Original drive of both the laptops, Dell and Lenovo, are what do you call it? This thing. They have took on the original one and put on their thing, which was stealing my own photographs and my family my family pictures. Getting this? So, so that's why they had to do the identity theft and smash my face. But the one who changed the drive is connected to bank, like the Patil's daughter. Patil's daughter is elder one. As my mother told me, she works in bank, and the bank transaction holds prostitution records. The bank transaction holds prostitution records. So the one who works in bank, look, they have taken control of my laptop computer, and they were doing the online prostitution, the LAN server prostitution. They were recording me from the front camera and doing their prostitution, whatever they do, doing this way. So she is also connected to bank, and the one who opens the fake bank account, a bank employee, is connected to those prostitutes, or might be one of the prostitutes who works in bank. Like I got the confession that those are the men in bank, and at night those are the trans hookers. Hearing this one. So those prostitutes are also be working in bank, and they might be in the transaction as well. Who knows how many are there? So the family controller and all this shit. Dell original drive was stolen, removed 2015, and the original drive holds Devil Rocky First, which does the LAN server, the parent controller thing everywhere. Even Lenovo, the parent controller, is there. And the LAN server devices must have been bought from the bank fraud, just like the bank fraud been happening today. And it will be no other than Patil's daughter. The LAN server tech, whatever there might be a tech something. So bank is connected to the prostitution very closely, because the transaction is of prostitutes. Bank, one of the prostitutes or many of the prostitutes must be working in banks. Bank is connected to those prostitutes. Just like Patil's daughter, elder one, works in bank, as my mother told. And Dell was compromised with 50,000 people. There might be bank members in that too. And the hard drive, the original hard drive which they stole of Dell, holds my shooting footages, same as Lenovo. And so the portable holds my shooting footages as well. So somehow bank is connected to the prostitution. One of the prostitutes work in bank, just same way I got their confession that they work in bank, those are the men, and at night those are the trans hookers.